Also included in this fantastic workshop is the Huna Ho'oponopono process, where you're bringing onto the stage the people, places, things that you where you want to release the past, using those wonderful blades of white light, filling yourself up with your own energy, releasing all of that, having those things disappear from the stage, bringing yourself back into a place and space of alignment where you can then experience more joy, more neurological freedom, and really have those wonderful breakthroughs. A reset for the mind, the brain, the neurology in true transformation style. It's going to be a place to release, rewire, and redesign, where including past life regression, access consciousness, emo trance, Huna, Ho'oponopono, future life progression, timeline therapy, hypnotherapy, and a dash of Huna with myself, Marilyn Devonish, the neuro success coach, rapid transformation specialist, and futurist. Visit the main website. That's probably the easiest place for you to sign up. It's transformationstm.com. So I'll say that and spell it. It's TRANCE, F for Freddy, so FORMATIONS, TM is in trademark, so transformationstm.com. When you land on the website, click the red Watch New button. A panel will slide out, and that will then have a bit of a scroll, and you'll see the events that are coming up. So we'd love to work with you on this groundbreaking, unique one-day online workshop. It's global, so you can join us from anywhere in the world. And I really look forward to working with you. Marilyn Devonish, the Neuro Success Coach from transformationstm.com. Over and out.